In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable closed captioning all the time. If you rely on captions for clarity, accessibility, or simply to keep up in a noisy environment, setting them to appear automatically will save you time in every meeting and webinar. Start by opening the Zoom application on your computer. On the home screen, look toward the lower left for the small gear icon that opens settings. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Zoom updates its interface from time to time, but there will always be a settings area with that familiar gear. Click it to open your preferences. Inside Settings, find and select the Accessibility section. This is where Zoom groups tools designed to make meetings easier to see and follow. You'll notice options related to text size, contrast, and other visual aids. For today, we're focusing on captions, which Zoom may also refer to as closed captions or live transcription, depending on availability in your meetings. Within Accessibility, look for the Captions area. You should see an option labeled Always Show Captions in Meetings and Webinars. Turn this on. That's the key setting. With this enabled, Zoom will automatically display captions at the bottom of your screen every time you join a meeting or webinar where captions or live transcription are available, so you won't need to click anything during the session. If a host has disabled captions or they're not supported in that meeting, you simply won't see them. There's nothing extra you need to manage. A few helpful tips as you set this up. If you don't see the option, make sure your Zoom app is up to date. Feature availability can depend on your version and your organization's settings. If your account is managed by an administrator, some controls may be locked, so you might need to ask for this feature to be enabled. You can personalize how captions appear by adjusting the caption text size and style right here in Accessibility, which can make a big difference on smaller screens. Captions can also be moved slightly on screen to avoid covering shared content, so feel free to reposition them if needed. Finally, remember that this preference is saved per device. If you use Zoom on multiple computers, repeat this setting on each one. That's all you need. With Always Show Captions turned on, you'll join meetings ready to follow along from the very first word. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clearer, more accessible conversations.